Hello everyone. Today we'll take a look at the best Benjamin air rifles in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion. And I'll try to help you find the one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these Benjamin air rifles, you can check out the links in the description below. Our list at number 1. Crosman Benjamin Trail NPXL 1500. It is a very handsome air rifle. It uses the caliber .177. Crosman Benjamin has a very high speed capacity for firing up to 25 feet-pounds. Air rifles play an important role in reducing noise. The break barrel rifle can easily provide the 70% low sound. You can easily do the hunting during the day as well as nighttime. It has smooth cocking efforts, and its cocking motion are very essential. They complete work very fastly, simple and without any noise. It is a more movable air rifle that comes 3 to 940 mm in scope. It is a very basketful rifle. You can easily install the setup of the sling mount for operating the Picatinny setup rail system. Pros: modern nitro rifle technique, superior hardwood stock, advanced craftsmanship, magnum power, supersonic velocity capacity, silent, recoilless, simple to cock, long-lasting. Cons: impure barrel out of the box. The shooter is always turn off the trigger. Our list at number 2. Benjamin Trail Nitro Piston 2 with scope. In the current market, the Benjamin Trail Nitro Piston is very popular and one of the best Benjamin air rifle. It comes in 2014 with advanced Nitro Piston 2. Its power plant is recently updated. It is two-step trigger air rifle. You easily shoot guns with 15%. Its speed is very quick. They are running more than 2 successful power energy supplies for getting the perfect shooting experience. In the market, different type of shooting a gun is available. That's very smooth, and if you are firing the gun they easily eliminated the sound. It comes with very low recoil, it crocks the weight up to 10 pounds. Because its cocking force is so high, that's why they eliminated the weight. Pros: modern technique, perfect and good power supply, silent, crisp, wonderful stock, easy to carry. Developed in the USA. Cons: heavy model. Our list at number 3. Benjamin Marauder wood stock air rifle. This Benjamin is the first air rifle developed by St. Louis in 1882. It is a very powerful air rifle. The governments give the authorized patent to Benjamin Marauder air rifle. The Benjamin air rifle mostly used for shooting and hunting. It provides PCP quality of rifles. The .25 caliber releases the speed of 900 feet per second of the Benjamin Marauder air rifle. The velocity of the rifle is very movable, so you can easily carry this best Benjamin air rifle. It has more ability to do the 100 works. It comes with a very high quality feature that is rifle provides a rotary magazine for 10 shooting shots. Pros: it is very silent, lightweight, impressive muzzle energy, ideal for medium and big game. No recoil, more powerful. Perfect air rifle. Cons: edges may feel very sharp. No scope. Refill method. Our list at number 4. Benjamin Bulldog .357 PCP hunting rifle. Benjamin Bulldog .357 PCP is playing the traditional role in the various air rifles. It comes with higher calibers. With the help of this best Benjamin air rifle, you easily do the shooting and hunting. Benjamin rifle is commonly known for hunting air rifle. It is suitable for all environments. This is perfect for synthetic material. It reduces the sound. It is developed with high-quality material. Its Picatinny rail is set up with high-quality optics. It creates an advanced design. Pros: strong duty. Suitable for every weather. Synthetic stock. Using optics for Picatinny setup rail. Used pre-charged pneumatic power. Perfectness. Silent. Powerful. Playing the various hunt games. Cons: very expensive. No sights or scopes. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos. Thank you for watching the video.